Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a quick review of this Drift Ghost 4K helmet camera. I've used numerous helmet cameras, and even at this time I used two at one point, but this has been the best helmet camera. You can do a lot of functions. You can also do live streaming, which I don't do, and overall it's got the great Drift Life app. And the best thing about this camera is that the overall quality, the battery life, everything else is really good. So I'll do a quick review that, this is a turn on and off switch. Then you have an LCD over here, which is very small, so you may or may not use it, but you can do the functions over here if you want. Otherwise, you can go to the actual app and do it from there. Once the camera is on, one tap starts recording, and if you did you can switch from one tap over here and it would go to the camera, and then you can take pictures. I've put the side mount adhesive with the adhesive, and I like that better, and it fits in really well. You also have the camera lens angle adjustability by switching it around like this. I don't want to ruin it right now, but in order to get that angle correct, you have to log into the app. So you go to your phone and download the app. I have it downloaded, so I'm gonna just go connect camera, and mine is Ghost 4K, and just ignore these are just recommendations of which SD card or micro SD card to use. And then it'll have its Wi-Fi over here, so you wait for a second for it to connect. So once connected, you go back and get started, and now you will have the view of the camera. So I just want to make sure that it's straight, because a lot of times it's tilted and all, and then you can use the app to do recording or photos or whatever you want directly, but right now I'm gonna just use the camera's menu. The worst part about this camera is that the charging port as well as the mic port is mini USB. Who uses that? And then it is so awkwardly placed that if you place the camera or the helmet carelessly, it'll damage it. I have already replaced this cable once. So it has a cable that connects to the mic, and it does come with a boom mic which has a long wire. I haven't really figured out exactly what to do with the length of the wire, but the best part is that it comes with a clip. This is the clip, right? So I can just put it over here, and it just clips on securely. And the sound quality is just unbelievable. So video quality, sound quality, everything is pretty good in this camera. Here it is, just a brief review, and check this out, Ghost 4K. I hope you find the video helpful. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Have a great one.